How's it going, everybody? Today we got a couple of projects we're working on. We're going to put some new tires on the trailer, clean up the boat a little bit. We installed this new carpet a few weeks ago, but as you can see, we ran out, didn't do the center section, so we're probably going to get that done today. We've got some new decals coming. They're not quite here yet, but we're going to clean it up, get it ready for the new decals. As you can see, they have seen better days. So we're going to get that all taken care of and probably start knocking the rust off this trailer. We got quite a bit going on we're going to do with this boat, but we got to get this rust off and get the trailer repainted. So we'll get that taken care of. We'll just kind of set it up on a time lapse so you guys can see kind of all through the project. So it's been a couple of days. I was finally able to get some tires. I think they were around $180 or so. So we're gonna go ahead and throw those on and show you guys what it looks like. There we go. Not sure if I like the white or the black more, but so we've been working on this project for a couple of days now. Worked on getting new tires put on the trailer, and we finally got the new decals. As you can see, these ones have seen better days. So we're gonna go ahead and get those switched out. See the new one there. Basically, we're just going to go ahead, rip it off, clean it off with some alcohol, and stick the new ones on. Pretty simple, straightforward. But we'll kind of show you guys how we do that. So there it is, there's the new sticker put on there. Turned out perfectly. Alright, we got this side's decal on. Go ahead and take off this tape. Now for the fun part. Ooh, it's perfect. There we are. All that's left now is the new letters. So basically what we're doing here, we got the bottom decal on as you saw. We're going to go ahead and replace the lettering too. The lettering on this side isn't as bad, but we're going to replace it with this silver instead of the blue. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to rip off the old lettering, put a piece of tape for a straight line, and then just measure out like 2 inches apart. I wish the decal would have come pre-spaced. I probably could have got one that way, but this one obviously didn't come pre-spaced, so I'll just cut them out and make sure that they're level and even space, and we'll put it up there basically looking the same as the other one. Okay, so we got the removable middle carpet section here. Pretty simple, just remove these screws here. And then there's a pin on this one. And then that'll slip out. And then basically, frame comes off. Put that down. And then the carpet is just wrapped around that edge. So I'm going to go ahead and get these other two things off, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I got those two little pieces off. I don't have a video of the carpet before in the boat, but I'll show you this picture here real quick. But this is what it was, really stained, ripped, just not in good condition. I think we ended up with the glue and the carpet. I mean, we were less than $100, and it took us probably an hour and a half to recarpet the entire boat, and it looks so much better. So I would highly recommend something you want to do, get after it, just do it. It's really simple, pretty easy. What we did is we ripped out the old floor and then laid that on top of the new carpet, and then cut the new carpet to the same shape. And so that way we just set it in super easy. You don't have to measure anything or anything like that. So we're going to get this piece recut and recovered, and we'll toss it back in the boat. Okay, so as you can see, we just lay it out here. I'll just take my utility knife and cut around the edges. Okay, so there it is. I'll just take this, set it up on our board. What we'll do is we'll get it all lined up and then set the metal rim back on it. Okay, so what I ended up doing is I have an upholstery stapler. So you can see here, I just went and stapled the fabric so that it would hold. And then we're just going back through, screwing these screws back in, and it'll be finished. So here it is all finished up. We got those screwed on. This is the pull lever for it. So yeah, we'll install it in the boat, ready to rock and roll. Okay, so there it is, center section, new carpet on the floor. This is just carpet from Home Depot that didn't really have the greatest of reviews, but we decided, hey, let's give it a try. It's super cheap. If we don't like it, we can rip it out. So far, we've probably been boating 10 or 15 times using this carpet, and we haven't had any issues with it. It drains good, it dries. We haven't noticed any smells or anything like that from it. So I would recommend it. Worked good for what we were doing, and it was a cheap, cost-effective way to totally change out the interior of the boat. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. That was kind of a long one, kind of all over the place. Glad we got everything done that we needed to. And I'll leave a link down in the description for the tires, where we got those, the Amazon for the decals and stuff like that, and then the link for the carpet. So if you guys want to check those out, you can. Like this video if you do, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you guys on the next one.